Welcome to week 7 of our programming series. In this video, we'll explore the world of dictionaries and sets. Dictionaries provide a way to store and retrieve data using key-value pairs, while sets allow us to work with collections of unique elements. By the end of this lesson, you'll have a solid understanding of dictionaries, sets, and how to leverage their power in Python. So, let's get started. Introduction to dictionaries. Dictionaries are versatile data structures that allow us to store data in key-value pairs. Each value in a dictionary is associated with a unique key, enabling efficient retrieval and manipulation. By using dictionaries, we can represent real-world relationships, such as storing contact information or mapping data for quick access. Creating and accessing dictionaries. In this segment, we'll explore different ways to create dictionaries and how to access their values using keys. By understanding the various techniques for creating dictionaries and accessing values, we gain the ability to work with structured data effectively. Dictionary methods and operations. Dictionaries come with a variety of built-in methods and operations that allow us to add, modify, and delete items. In this segment, we'll explore common dictionary methods and perform operations on dictionaries. With dictionary methods, we can add new items, modify existing values, delete items, and perform operations like merging dictionaries or making copies. Introduction to sets. Sets are powerful data structures that contain unique elements, making them ideal for tasks that require uniqueness or membership testing. By using sets, we can efficiently work with collections of data without worrying about duplicates or order. Working with sets. In this segment, we'll explore various operations that can be performed on sets, including union, intersection, and difference. By leveraging set operations and methods, we can manipulate and modify sets to perform tasks like combining sets, finding common elements, or removing duplicates. Congratulations! You've reached the end of week 7's lesson on dictionaries and sets. You've learned how to create and initialize dictionaries, access their values, utilize dictionary methods, and perform operations on them. Additionally, you've gained insights into the concept of sets, their unique element properties, and common set operations. Keep practicing and exploring these concepts, and you'll become a proficient Python programmer in no time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to get notified about our future programming tutorials. For more resources and exercises, check out the links in the description below. See you in the next video.